Yeah, I've just seen a video which was sent by one media person showing the destruction of the entire Indian Center, the High Commission, and apparently, yeah, the statue erected in memory of Tirut Singh also was demolished by a mob.
What is the follow-up action by the Navy station?
No, we have just watched this video just 5 minutes back. So apparently there's a huge anti-India campaign which is ongoing in that country, and in the process the attack was meant on the Indian High Commission, the cultural center, and since the monument was erected within the premises of the center, it also fell prey to these mobs of arsonists and rioters.
Is it completely?
According to the video, I think the bust is demolished, but the lower portion bearing the name of Tirut Singh is still intact.